Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Salesforce CPQ and how to enable your end users to be able to adjust the width of the columns in the line editor. This is pretty simple to set up. It's just a checkbox in the back end. But in order to do this, we're going to go to our settings, go to setup, type install packages, click here. Then we're going to find our Salesforce CPQ one, and then we're going to hit configure. Then we'll go to the line editor page and select this enable column resizing. Make sure it's checked, click save, and that's it. Pretty simple. So jumping back into my line editor, you can see that this new icon appears on my cursor and I can easily adjust the column widths however I want to. This feature is sticky, so this will continue on to every quote that I jump into, so I don't have to adjust this every single time, which is very nice. If I ever do want to reset this to the default, I can go up to the top right here and click the gear, drop down, click reset column widths. So to recap, this is an extremely useful feature to be able to edit and adjust your column widths for your end users, and it's a pretty easy setup for your admins. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and consider subscribing. Thank you.